Hello, welcome. Today, Teacher Kofi will make a video for you because I will not be in school this Thursday. It's a short video, so let's watch. After you finish watching, I want you to do your worksheet, okay? I will send the worksheet in the line group. Okay. Our topic in this video is plant nutrients. Plant nutrients. Let's start. So, did you know there are some children who cannot find food to eat? Sometimes they eat only once a day, one food in one day. There is hunger, okay, in the world. Why is there still hunger in the world? One reason is this. When the farmers plant the crops, sometimes the crops get sick and die. So we don't have food for everybody. Now, how can we help farmers to know when their plants are sick so that we can get more food? How do we know if a plant is sick? If you are sick, you can cough or you have headache. What about plants? When plants are sick, how do we know? We can know from the symptoms of the plants. The leaves can change, the fruits can change, and the roots can change. Okay, they are not normal. Maipukati, okay, not normal. Now, when plants don't have nutrients like phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, if they don't have nutrients, the plant can become sick, and sometimes they can die. Sometimes they cannot make enough food if they don't have some nutrients, okay? Nutrients, sanahan. So if the plant does not have phosphorus, or if the phosphorus is low, the leaves will turn purple. If the nitrogen is low, the leaves will become yellow. Okay, yellow. And here are the others: sulfur, manganese, zinc, iron. The leaves becomes white. Now, can you guess what nutrient is missing in these plants? There are 6 plants. Now, I want you to write on your worksheet, okay? I will send you the worksheet in the line group. You write your name, your number, and your class, and you look at the picture, and you look at these charts, and you write what nutrient is missing. There are 6 plants, okay? Very good. Next, let's talk about the nutrients. There are many nutrients that the plant use, but we group the nutrients into 3 groups. The first group is called primary nutrients. Primary. That's nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. They are primary nutrients. Next, we have secondary nutrients: calcium, magnesium, and sulfur. And the last group, micronutrients: boron, zinc, iron, and many more, okay? They are called micronutrients. The primary nutrients, the NPK, the plants use a lot, okay? The plants use a lot of the primary nutrients. The secondary nutrients, the plants need a little bit, okay? They need small amount. The micronutrients, the plants need a little bit, okay? But all of them are important. They are very good for the plants. If the plant does not have the micronutrient, it can be a problem, okay? Now, nitrogen is very important because we use nitrogen to make chlorophyll. And chlorophyll makes the plant or the leaves look green, right? You have chlorophyll, it makes the leaves green. So if the plant doesn't have nitrogen, we cannot make chlorophyll and the leaves will be yellow. Magnesium helps to make flowers, okay? And helps to make the food, the fruit, okay? Phosphorus helps to make energy for the plant cell. ATP makes energy. Now, let's talk about fertilizer or pui. If the plant doesn't have some nutrients, we can go to the market and buy fertilizer and put in the soil, or sometimes we spray on the leaves, okay? The plant can absorb or do, and it can get the nutrient. Now, fertilizers can come in two types. We have organic fertilizer and chemical fertilizer. Organic fertilizer is made from dead plants and animals. It's natural, tamashad. But chemical fertilizers are made from chemicals, okay? Now, what is good and bad about organic fertilizer? What is good and bad about chemical fertilizer? Now, I'm not going to tell you in this video because I want you to write. You're going to read by yourself and write one in your worksheet, okay? Next, let's talk about fertilizer and the environment. Fertilizers are good, organic and chemicals, they are good. But if we use too much, it can be bad for the environment, okay? Example, if we put too much fertilizer on the soil and it rains, the rain will wash the fertilizer into the river or into the lake. And the algae, this is algae, the algae in the river, they will eat the fertilizer and they will make more algae, and after some time they will cover the top of the water and they will get all the oxygen in the water, and the fish will die, the animals in the water will die because they don't get oxygen and they don't get the sunlight. The light from the sun cannot go under the water. Example is this here, okay? This is a lot of algae. Now, question: which fertilizer do you think will make the algae grow faster? Is it the organic or is it the chemical fertilizer? Which one will make algae grow faster? Now, Teacher Kofi, I have the two fertilizers here. This is organic fertilizer. This is chemical fertilizer. Which one makes the algae grow faster? Now, we're going to make a little experiment to see. And I have it here already. I'm going to show you. We have 3 beakers, and in one beaker, in the beakers I have put some water, The water is from outside. I got it from the pond, okay, outside. Not from the pipe, but outside, okay? It has a little bit of algae inside. So in the first beaker, I put the chemical fertilizer. You see here, chemical. In beaker number 2, I put organic fertilizer. And beaker number 3, I put nothing. Did not put anything. And we're going to see why did I do this one, not put anything? Because we want to compare, okay? It's not 6, 7, okay? But compare. We want to compare the 3. We're going to wait for 2 weeks and we'll see. Okay, Teacher Kofi will tell you again after 2 weeks. Okay? Now, in your worksheet, I want you to do this part. This is the question. I want you to choose one answer. And I want you to draw this experiment, okay, on your worksheet. And I want you to answer the 3 questions. Number 1, how long? It's 2 weeks. Number 2, how will we know the results? How do we know? Easy. You're going to look and see, okay? You're going to look and write which one has more algae after 2 weeks. And number 3, write one way we can reduce the algae. We have many. This one here, okay? What can we do so that the river or the lake does not have too much algae like this in this picture? What can we do? You write one way, okay? So, thank you very much for watching, and I hope this is helpful. We'll see you later, okay? In class or maybe online. Thank you very much, and goodbye.